Hey guys, this is Steve with the Scroll Saw Workshop. Back tonight with another little toy slash game that you can make with your scroll saw. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put the link to the pattern in the description below. I will also try to put the link to where you can get these little 1/2-inch steel balls. You could modify this pattern to use small marbles, but the balls work pretty good. So what it is, it's a little agility game that's pretty obvious. You've got a knob right here on the end that you can turn clockwise and counterclockwise. This end of the ramp is obviously higher than this end, so when we start the ball rolling, the goal is to get the ball down to the final hole or as far as we can. Now, to play it as a game, if you wanted to, I've set up these different stations, so you could set this up as 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 points, however you wanted to do it. And it's just as simple as, to get it started, you start the ball this direction, and then you roll it, trying to get it down to the bottom of the ramp. Like that. Okay, the construction of it is pretty simple. The ramp is cut out of 2 pieces of 1/4 inch Baltic birch plywood, and of course the pattern has where to cut all the holes. There is a 1/4 inch dowel rod that goes through these 2 connectors that are glued to the ramp. Then I've got a keeper on this end and the knob on this end. The dowel rod is 12 inches long. The game board obviously is pretty simple. You'll have these pieces to glue together. I just simply used super glue and activator to put all this stuff together because it really doesn't need a lot of strength. You'll notice that the cutout in this piece is lower than the cutout in this piece, and that's what gives it its slant to allow the balls to roll downhill. So just as simple as that. You just turn the knob, and you could take turns back and forth to different players, or obviously you could just play it yourself. I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.